Are you ready to turn those daunting Zillow FSBO listings into your next big commission? First, head over to Zillow and filter your search specifically for sale by owner properties in your target area. Make sure you've got a good grasp on the local market data for that neighborhood. Recent sales, average prices, days on market. This will be crucial. Now, let's craft a killer opening instead of a generic greeting. Try this high seller name. I noticed your listing on Zillow and I'm a local agent specializing in neighborhood. I'm calling because I have a buyer actively looking for a home just like yours. The key is to build rapport fast. Ask them about their selling experience so far, what their biggest challenges are, and what their timeline looks like. Offer value by suggesting a free market analysis or tips on staging. Keep it brief. Aim for a 23-minute conversation. Your ultimate goal is to schedule a meeting. Suggest something like, would you be open to a quick 15-minute chat sometime this week to discuss how I can help you achieve your selling goals? Don't be pushy if they aren't interested. Politely thank them for their time and move on. Remember, persistence and a genuine desire to help are your best assets when tackling FSBOs. Now get out there and convert those Zillow leads.